So what Bel Air Shore is really doing by this ordinance is saying you can use that land, but you have to use it in an unsafe manner.
Two men were in a Pinellas County courtroom today fighting a controversial ticket over having an umbrella at the beach.
Yeah, the town of Bel Air Shores has banned umbrellas, tents, and any other structures on the beach, and now the men are fighting that ordinance, saying it just goes too far. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson has more on this beach battle. He is joining us live with a story. Jeff.
Good evening, Jen and Keith. Well, some residents of Bel Air Shores don't like people putting up tents or umbrellas on the beach because they believe it spoils their ocean view. But the former mayor of Bel Air Beach says that ordinance that prevents it is unconstitutional.
Bel Air Shores is a picturesque beach community with multi-million-dollar homes on one side and the Gulf of Mexico on the other. In the middle is a stretch of white sand that the owners of the big homes fight to keep as their own. Now the town has passed an ordinance banning beach umbrellas. Pedro Rivera was the first to get a ticket for violating the ordinance.
I've never been in trouble, any kind of trouble.
In June, a Pinellas County Sheriff's deputy issued him a ticket for having an umbrella on the sand.
It's a regular umbrella, 7-foot umbrella.
He says he likes the beach, but his doctor has warned him to protect himself from the sun.
I've had cancer in my face. As a matter of fact, one spot that was taken off of my right forehead was quite big.
But in Bel Air Shores, his umbrella is not legal. Now he's fighting the ticket with the help of his attorney, who just happens to be the former mayor of Bel Air Beach. He says the ordinance is unconstitutional.
This law is arbitrary and capricious. It's not a rational law. You're banning umbrellas on a beach, which, as we all know, is a common item.
Joseph Manzo says if Bel Air Shores wins here, other beach communities may start banning anything they don't like.
This decision affects every coastline in the state of Florida. If Bel Air Shore is allowed to get away with this, then any city can do the same thing. In their reply brief, they were saying that they did this for aesthetics. Where does that one end? Maybe they don't like my blue chair or my red bathing suit or anything else.
Today we learned a second man was given a ticket for a similar offense, the same offense, in August. Today a Pinellas County judge set a hearing for later this month to hear oral arguments in the case. Jen and Keith.